Have you ever wanted to know if you can use all your external USB drives on your iPhone? And I'm talking about all the iPhones with Lightning connector before iPhone 15, which has a USB Type-C connection. So here is what you need. Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. I will suggest you to get it from the Apple Store, as only the genuine Apple adapters will work with all iOS updates. It has a USB Type-A connection and a Lightning charging port, which is very important. You will come to know later in this video. You can use external hard drive, but not all the hard drives will work. There is only few hard drives which will work with your iPhones. You will need a Type-A flash drive. Any standard flash drive will work. This is a 4 GB SanDisk. Now insert the flash drive to the camera adapter, and I will connect it to my 14 Pro Max. Let's see if something will happen. Well, you get a connection error that you can't use the accessories as it requires too much power. Just tap on OK and connect your adapter with a Lightning charger to get the required power. And that's it. Once you see it's charging, and soon you will see the no-name flash drive is connected, the additional power was needed for the flash drive to work. Now click on the flash drive and you can tap on the folders and choose some pictures to transfer. For example, these ones. Now click on the share icon and click on Save for Images to save them on your iPhone gallery. Now come out of the flash drive and open Photos. And here you go. All the photos are here in the gallery, saved from the flash drive. And same way you can transfer from your iPhone to your flash drive. So here we go. It's so easy and convenient to transfer everything to and from iPhone to flash drive. You can also connect an external drive, but mine didn't work, and not all will work as you will need a specific ones. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you like this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.